What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix not charging beyond 85% on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on battery. Now here in battery, scroll down and here you will see a protect battery button. So if you have enabled the protect battery button, it will not charge your phone up to 85% to extend the lifespan of your battery. So if you want to charge your phone up to 80%, then tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button you can charge your phone above 85%. So that's how you can fix not charging beyond 85% in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.